As you can see there, everybody, I've had a bit of a nightmare with this video. I've recorded this video previously and then went to edit it, had the footage on my computer. Well, I thought I did, and turns out I actually had the footage on my SD card, which I cleared and deleted it all because I went to film a different video. So that footage is gone. So when I went to open the program that I used to edit, Sony Vegas, the messages popped up, the dreaded message where it says that the files cannot be located, and that basically means it's gone and I have to start again. So here we are. But that's not the end of the world. I'm going to refilm this video because it's just one thing that's bugging us, you know what I mean? It's bugging us at the minute, and I need a bit of help from you lot as well. I've also been getting a bit of a better setup going on here, bit of office space just to do editing and stuff like that, and the podcast side of things that me and my friend are going to be doing. We're just taking the whole YouTube thing to the next level. I needed some space where I could just come and, you know, do YouTube, and that's what we've created. Massive thank you to everybody for the support recently. And now I keep banging on about this, right? But the likes, the comments, the shares, it all goes a long way. You might not think that when you click like, but it all helps. Right then, let's get cracking. Let's go and show you what's up with this van. If you have a look at the front end here, it's these cloudy headlights. It's raining, so you probably can't see it as bad. But this one, I think you can see it on, look at that. Can you see how cloudy that is? It just looks terrible, doesn't it? So yeah, that's what I want to try and sort out, because I think it's the only thing really at the minute. This one's not so bad, but it's still there. And I've used the proper polishing kit and everything on them to try and, you know, bring them back to life. And it just didn't work at all. I actually think what's happened is it's the plastic. If you have a look, it's the plastic inside the lens. So that's actually kind of like cracked, I guess. But it's really bugging us at the minute, because I think it's the only thing that's letting the van down as it sits. You don't notice it necessarily like in this kind of weather where it's a bit dull and dark, but when it's sunny and the light hits it, it looks terrible. So we need it sorted. It looks like the heavens is going to open, so I'll see you lot back inside. So yeah, as you can see, it's bugging us, man, and it's the only thing that lets the front of that van down. So I need to get it sorted. I don't have a spare pair of headlights to try and fix them, so what I was thinking is maybe getting myself another pair of headlights with good lenses on now, and swapping the lenses onto those lights, because I really like the lights that's in it at the minute. It's got the little LED like running lights down the side, which is down the outside and the bottom of the light, which I prefer. There's a lot of people out there who actually make custom headlights for these vans and they look really good, but you know, I want to try and do as much to this van as I can myself for content for you guys, you know, keep it at a budget, try and do things on my own so I can show you like what I'm doing. So if you know, you're trying to do the same thing, you can maybe try and copy it or replicate it, or use some of the things that I do to make your van better. If anybody has got any headlights that they're not using, that they don't need, they want to donate to a good cause, or they want to, you know, they want some money for them, let us know, and you know, I could do with some decent ones. But not only do I need the headlights, I need a bit of help as well, because I'm not sure how to take these headlights apart. You know, I've never done this before, so there must be a way. There must be people out there who've done it. Let us know. I need some advice. You know, I've heard loads of different ways how you can get these headlights apart. These ones have obviously been apart before because they've had the little LED lights put in and stuff. So yeah, headlights, advice. But this is the only thing that's bothering us at the minute. Got some updates coming on my uncle's Mark 1 Fiesta XR2 that he's building, which is really good, really exciting. He's done some crazy stuff to that already, and I'm excited to show you guys what progress he's been making. Also, CosWeDad's fishing van and camper van are going to be back, which is good because a lot of people have been asking for that. If anybody's got any other ideas of what I should do with these headlights, what would, you know, try and bring them back to life, feel free to let us know, because I'm more than happy to give it a go. But like I said, I have used a proper polishing kit, you know, a headlight polishing kit on this, and it just didn't work at all. It didn't even make it any slightly better, to be honest with you. So I've lost hope in that kind of area, which is why I went down this path of trying to think of how I was gonna get some new ones basically. But the inside of mine are black, and I want to keep them black to go with the whole murdered out look. So that's why I didn't want to just buy a new set, because I would end up having to take them apart anyway. There's some method in me madness, trust us, there's some method in me madness. So yeah, that's why I'm making this video, because I need some advice and some help from you lot. Hopefully you're going to be able to help us out, and we can get this front end of this van sorted so I can stop looking at these foggy, misty headlights in the summer, in the nice weather, or in the sun, which we don't get very often in the UK. But when it is sunny, it just makes the van look poor, like neglected, which it's not. Right, I better go back out in the rain and move my van, because CosWeDad's going to be back soon, and as you saw, mine's the only one parked on the drive, and he's going to want to park his there. So I'll leave it there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, remember to leave a like. It does go a long way, and I appreciate all the support. Thanks for taking your time out of your day to watch this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Make sure you go and watch previous videos, because we've done some good ones so far. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.